our work ethic, our team, and our confidence, because we've come into a situation not knowing, our strengths and weaknesses, especially as a group, and we've been able to compete against a group that has had internship experience. So banking on what we are now going through, this gives us confidence to now go forward and know that we are actually chefs.
Ability to work with others, task execution, food handling, desire to learn. Yes, but confirmation from the Electoral Commission is that we have the Michelin Star Group as the winner of the battle. 2022 with a score 299. No.